from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Flinks fam, welcome back to another video, guys. So we are a different scenery, and you know, we have been having a wonderful weekend. We're getting ready to go, but we had to do a little sit down with you guys to just give you a quick recap of what our weekend was like, and sort of, you know, the benefits of couples getting together and sharing and just sharpening each other, because this weekend has really taught us that, you know, we're not alone, and problems or situations that we face as couples is not unique to us. All we go through it, and it's good to hear other people who go through it as well, so that, you know, we can all encourage each other.
So we spent 3 days and 2 nights. 3 days and 2 nights at Holiday Inn, and we're a part of the Power Couples group, but we are of course powered by God. Yeah,
so that's what the power is from.
Yeah, it's not about us. And we started off the first night. It was pretty much supposed to be a meet and greet and spending time on the property, eating food, chilling or whatever.
Yes,
but of course we were supposed to reach 3 o'clock, but you know, because women are not we actually reached, what time we reached?
It wasn't my fault.
We reached late.
6 o'clock.
Yeah, about 6, 7.
And then we just went straight to eat.
Yeah, we went straight to eat, and then we went to our rooms. No, we went to our rooms, then we went to eat.
Yeah.
Right. And that was pretty much that night.
Hold on, let me tell you about the room, and I'm sure you'll see a lot of footage on that. The room was beautiful. It was humongous.
Let's talk about the bad first. The bad. Let me say bad.
Quote
You know,
unquote.
we would have preferred if the fridge was stocked.
Yes.
And stacked. Yeah. But it wasn't. We got, you know, 2 bottles of water, which was, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And we didn't get water, like we weren't supplied water through. We would have to buy water. And
I mean, you could get water from the bar.
From the bar, like tap water.
Yeah. But
And the second thing is that we didn't get a bellman or a bellboy going up or coming down, so we had to walk with the luggage. Yeah. I think that's the bad.
yeah, and quote unquote bad, you know, things you would have preferred. So let's talk about the good, alright? So the room, as I said, was beautiful.
Oh no, one more bad about the room. The AC wasn't working the first night. First night and first morning. The AC wasn't working, like we slept in heat. Yeah. No matter what we tried. But we reported it, and when we came back,
It was fixed.
freezing. This, when we go out of the room and come back and bass in there, she covered up to her eye under the big sheet them. It was freezing. So whoever fixed it, big ups to you. And not so big ups to you, because when you fix it, I want to make sure we can't turn it down after that. So we couldn't warm it up, we couldn't turn it off, we couldn't make it rotate. It was just freezing cold. So when you say, alright, when you want it fixed, leave.
Yeah.
But
that was, and it was fixed quickly.
Yeah, quickly.
So by the time we came out of the room and went back, it was fixed quickly. So those were probably the 3 things that, you know, we weren't so pleased with, but majority of the things I think we were pleased with.
Beautiful room.
beautiful
experience, beautiful view, sunrise, sunset.
Yeah, I love the bathroom.
Yeah.
I love the setup of the
Listen.
bathroom.
Listen,
Yeah.
you know what we did in the bathroom? We bathed.
Right, thank you.
And we jacuzzi. What
Yeah,
else?
the jacuzzi, I like the lights in the jacuzzi. Yeah, we didn't have to use
It
the
reminded her of a
lights.
previous life, you know, disco lights and
And
poles.
bed sings, right? So it reminded us of that. So I loved the bathroom. The bathroom was big. I loved the living area, and I think it made me. I don't know about Brad. I think it made me miss the girls a little bit more because of
Felt
all
like a
the
house.
space.
Yeah, it just felt like a house.
You know, they would have been very happy to run around and just do everything. And then the balcony went around.
Balcony plus tax.
Balcony.
Yeah.
So we had an entire block like here and then here, and so the view was very, very good. So we loved that. The food was okay. Yeah, it was okay.
Ellie would have done better, you know. Yeah, Ellie would have cooked better. But it's normal. I don't think there's anything that stood out as it relates to the food.
We were hoping that we could have gone to one of the restaurants,
so we
but
didn't.
we didn't get a chance to because it was booked out because a lot of people are here. So we didn't get a chance.
And
to.
we would have preferred to book with our group.
Right.
And it was
And
10
it's
couples.
Okay, so
so
it's 20 of
people.
us.
Yeah.
So it was a huge group to book. Other than that, the property is nice. The people are friendly. We saw a lot of cufflinks here.
All the
so
cufflinks.
big ups, big ups. I love the little island that we're sitting on now. So we had to walk through the water, you know, and then come onto the island. So we're here. And we are going to just enjoy the property a little bit more before we leave. But overall, I think Holiday Inn is very kid friendly. Yeah.
Right, so that's for the hotel. For our trip, our couples, we looked at from a male perspective. We had a male session, we had a female session, and we had a coming together.
We're on the wrong path. And at some point we're going to be wanting to seek that way out.
And then our reflections and suggestions section, and then we were allowed to do other things and have our own time. We had a fun session where, again you can see some of the clips. The fun session where it was really hilarious, you know, giving couples a chance to compete, to have fun, and to work on even, you know, how they interact with each other. So you can't be a smile and lock eye. Them tying up something I love. So when the black cover look over like place look dark.
Baby, sweet, my girl, you are the best of both worlds. For my secular side, you are like, I like the way you bump and grind and unwind and rewind. You make me feel fantastic, you see. In the bedroom you call me Mr. Bombastic. And you know how we bounce up and we step past bad mind. You know, me are your best guy. You are my fresh vegetable and me are your stir fry. And then, on the Christian side, you make heaven sounding sweeter. Sometimes at night in bed, I hear you sing, baby, take me to the king. And I thank God for you being my amazing grace. Onward forever on our never-ending race.
We had the male session where all the men were able to talk about situations that are affecting the male side of a marriage, and you know, it got real, it got raw, and that was important because they allow men to be in a space and a place where they can talk. And men don't always talk, right? Because we are cultured and sheltered, our culture to shelter our feelings. And then we were all encouraged as couples by Pastor McHugh, and it was just a good time, and we leave strengthened, we leave sharpened, and more so we leave empowered and energized for next year. And it doesn't stop here, because we're in a group where we're able to discuss and to help each other. We have different online seminars, and then we will culminate again next year. For the women, you know, what they talked about was
them.
man. See? Every time a group of women meet, they just talk about man. Like, we never spoke about them, right? That's right.
We chat them bad, a joke. We we shared a lot of, you know, some of the things that we need to do as women and as wives, and being submissive to our husbands, which was what we spoke about the most, because a lot of us, we have strong personalities.
Watch them in the comments that talk about submission now. Me not submit to no man who submit.
Well, we are called to. So, I mean, somehow we need some stand down, somehow we need some quiet down, but we are called to. So, you know, we just sought to help each other, and we spoke about other little issues that, you know, would arise, finances, etc., and how we can manage it, especially as women, because we are the glue that holds the family together. The man is the head, we are the glue. And so there are certain things.
You know what other thing are the glue? Crazy glue, Ponal, Patex.
You are so rude.
What?
Yeah, so that was basically it. And
men are called to love our wives to submission. You know, love them as Christ loved the church. And we looked at what love really means. And one of the things that Elroy always reminded me was something that somebody said about the master. We try to be masters of love, but we don't know the master of love, which is God. So I think that is one of the things that stand out.
No.
Alright, that's it for another exciting video. And we keep bringing the fire. We're fun,
Inspirational.
we're real.
And we're educational. Big ups, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure before you go that you leave a comment, you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe before you go if you're new. And to all our new cufflinks, welcome to the family. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you know every time we drop new content. We'll see you soon.
And of course, you have to remember to tell your uncle, sister, brother, cousin, friend, so them need to come forward to the cufflinks family. And if you don't subscribe yet, what are you waiting on? We're waiting on you. Click that button.
Look and see if the red button is marked subscribe.
And then you look for a little bell. And when I'm
and
talking
turn it
politics,
on.
you just turn it on.
Yeah.
And our next video is going to be about our 30 days
Our 30 day
of
of coloring challenge. So if you don't know what the coloring is,
it is that thing.
It
that
is
thing
that
what
thing.
you're thinking about at this moment. Yeah.
Yes, that's what we call coloring.
30-day challenge.
Yeah, our 30 day coloring challenge. We're gonna let you know how that one went.
Yeah.
Alright guys, later.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.